Welcome back to the channel Outdoor Christmas Decoration Idea. Transforming your home interior for Christmas is one of the most magical part for the season. Whether your dream for a cozy cottage look with warm light or fantastic front yard buzzing with color or a simple and elegant wind theme, the right outdoor decoration can turn your house into the glory holiday landmark. We explore, create budget friendly and on turn outdoor Christmas decoration idea that will make your home charm for the stick on the rooftop. Start with a welcome front door display. Your front door is the focal point of your home interior. So behind your fantastic transforming right here classic charm warm a large warm filed with paint bring or cannot interior add charm if you want something under choose a warm make for drive level or mixed gardening layout grid line framed warm and grid line access to top and side of the enhance add digital light red black brown and optimize to create a luxury holiday entrance away. Lecturing for warm growing. Place long lecturing on each side of the front door film theme with LED cammed minimize optimize for the magic even effect. Magic roof and glass light. Roof light create to charm house look. Choose the style that best side your home. Light profits and wind woodlight hen theme that cut for the speed light water of effective warm wild string light. Those work for modern home stone interior and minimalist design. Keep the glow soft for a timeless finish. For interior dream, add a light star at the roof, parked and interior much color. Change LED light for midlight. Show growing walkway and dream away lights. Ever part away can guest into a magic holiday atmosphere. Pathway lights use candy can light snowflakes light and growing sticking to line the walk. Solar swim bowling light eco friendly and beautiful. Add dream tray light create a soft bring over your lamp. Front pouch Christmas scene. If you have a pouch, make it feel like a cozy wind retreat. Set corner lot. Add a swimmed charm to bring decoration with pouch palette, same and mix Christmas tree in a pouch, oversize optimize. Place long optimize on the top to bring the break for the both design look. Snowman and raffing. Metal wood and influencer create a craftful holiday entertain. Enter. Add a siffing light to enhance theme at night. Outdoor Christmas tree, a beautiful outdoor tree, bring holiday, Christmas, pouch mix tree, pouch to match tree, add the entertainment or line, mix tree, the pouch, warm in light and add bro, long yard tree. If you have a big every gardening in your yard term, it's into growing central plies with sticky light overhand, optimize, add a tree drop, wood tree, build a rustic tree, use reclaim, wood park or pallet, add fairy tale, lights for a charm and make look, sticky light window, display. Windows are often overlooked but then often hand decor, pin, window lights, classic single charm, or even window add open chemistry bomb. Hand optimize size pin, optimize row full use clean on the effect window. Smart use tree and bring look enhance and balance on long window front. Yard decoration that sold out. Bring your outdoor space to life with ice cash, Christmas enhanced light gift box. Bring growing gift box for define size need the pouch of yacht